Hey guys, it is Andrea. Sorry, my air just kicked on, but it is hot, hot, hot. And the balloons are moving. Okay, so I have this week's new releases, which I'm super, super excited about. We have 2 exclusive collections, and I am just so ready. So the first one here is called Pink, and it's like Mean Girls inspired. So you do have your glitter sampler available, which is all pink, obviously. And this is an ultimate exclusive collection, so there's no mini kit or like personal washi or anything like that. I thought I did bows for it, but I might, let me actually check my little bow stack. So this is a Mean Girls inspired collection. I don't think I did bows. So I'll put them up digitally for you guys, or I'll have a picture of them, but I will put up bows with it. So this is the pink collection, and everything is very, very pink. And I was just really, really excited to do kind of like a little Mean Girls collection. You have lots of deco up on the top, all in pink. And then you have your scribblers on the bottom and the little pink bow with the pink glitter clip. A lot of the backgrounds are like a pink marble, which I think kind of broke up the very busy look of this collection. Then you have your half boxes, your patterned washi, your solid labels, and solid washi. I just filmed the mysteries. I'm like all over the place. The ombre heart checklists have the pink ombre with the pink glitter in the ombre heart checklist. And then these are the full boxes. So you have the 4 full box girls, and then you have a bunch of kind of like prop accessories. Then on the bottom washi, you have the faux bottom washi look with the bows. Very cute with the pink glitter in the date covers. And then the On Wednesdays We Wear Pink full box, which is so dang cute. So that is the ultimate exclusive pink collection, and this is exclusive art to Scribble Prints Co, so you will not see this art anywhere else. Also, we do unlimited stock for the first 3 hours. I just wanted to let you guys know that this week and next week will be the last weeks to pick up the summer multicolor, because we will be doing a new multicolor, not the first week of the reformat, but I think the second week we'll put that up. So if you guys want to pick up any summer multicolor, do so with either this release or the next one. And what else did I want to say? So we have the unlimited stock for the first 3 hours like normal, and there is going to be a lot of things selling out in the next couple of weeks. So I'm not going to stock a lot of old format kits, because I just want to go hard on the new format whenever it releases. So you guys might have noticed that a lot of things that have came out in the past month or so are selling out. So definitely get your hands on those. So this is Beach Babe. So this is another exclusive collection. So again, you won't see this art anywhere else for us. And this is like a full collection, so it has a mini kit and everything. And this is also kind of a little bit of a sneak to the next TN kit, which is going to be releasing, I think, not this coming Monday, but the next Monday. It's on my calendar on the shop, but I really love these colors. It reminds me a lot of, I don't remember what it was called, but it was like a nautical collection, and it had like gold. Let me know in the comments down below. I can't remember, but super, super cute. And then here are the full boxes. So you have some like beach scenes with the sand, and then you have some girls here, just really like beachy vibes all over. And this is kind of giving you, like I said, a sneak to the next TN kit, which is beach themed. I love this bottom washi. I think it's so dang cute. It's probably one of my favorite bottom washis ever, honestly. And then you have your extra full box there. So that is Beach Babe Ultimate. There are Fashion Girl add-ons for this one, so I'll show you guys that after the mini kit. So that is the ultimate kit. And then we have the mini kit. Oh, also this week Mystery is coming to the shop, which is like the ultimate kit and also the a la carte add-on stuff. So if you want to see that, that is the last video that I did, which was uploaded yesterday. And they were all shipped out yesterday. So here is the mini kit for that one. Again, love that bottom washi, so dang cute. And this is going to be a TN kit, which I'm really, really excited about. I'm really excited for like seasonal TN kits. I also have the art for the one that I want to do for fall. Then you have your glitter sampler, which again, in my mystery I said that one was designed a while ago, so was this one. So the glitter headers still have the little label. Then there's also the personal washi, which I'm actually not going to be doing the personal washi with any of the reformats. So if you like any of the ones in shop and want to stock up, I would do that as well. And then you also have the girl add-ons, which I did change like the bathing suit color for all of them, and you have different hair color and skin tone options as well. And then there's also the why am I losing all train of thought? And then you have the bow add-on, which let me know in the comments which one I should do for the freebie this week. I haven't decided yet, but should I do this one or the pink one, which you guys won't have seen the pink one, but you can kind of assume from the color scheme. And then also, or should I do this one? But let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll post that on Instagram or something. So then this one is Planar Moon. This one isn't a exclusive collection, but this one is so cute I couldn't pass it up. I've been trying to kind of like hold back on which like arts I do, just like that are like put out like non-exclusive arts, just because I am like really getting ready for my reformat and kind of like saving a lot of production room for that. But whenever I saw this art, I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. It's literally perfection. So first off, you have your freebie, which I love these colors. I think they're so fun. Kind of gives me like September vibes, but also it's kind of like an anytime vibes. So you do have a lot of deco. I tried to put like a lot of different deco up on the top there because I just thought all of the deco was way cute. And then you have scribblers on the bottom. These are all actually unreleased scribblers. So you have one playing cards, one playing a board game, and then one with a little thermometer in her mouth. And then you also have a patterned bow, which I've been trying to do this with some of the reformats. I think I'm going to kind of like anyone that I make new do like a pattern bow, just because I think that's really cute and makes it more unique and match the collection. So this is the functional page. You're going to be able to see it a little bit better in the ombre heart checklist, but in the weeklies heart checklist and then these ones, there are little glitter stars. They're really small, but you can tell they're stars in person. And your weekend banner has lots of patterns on there. I just thought it was so cute. Then you have your half boxes page, your pattern washi page, your solid labels page. Also something to mention, I am going to be switching to digital listings. A lot of people like get confused like that I'm going to be selling like digital stickers or something, but the digital listings just means instead of me taking a picture of the items, I'm just going to do a digital rendering of them. So not a lot of people really care that much, but I just thought I'd let you guys know. Then you have your full boxes, which are just way cute. Like the washi, the like planners in here, the Starbucks cup, the girl, the TN, the purse. I'm living for all of it. And then you have your bottom washi, which I did the faux double bottom washi, and then it has the bows on it with the really fun date covers, and also the little game, I think this is Game Girl, Game Boy, whatever, in the extra full box. So that is Planar Moon, which is just so dang cute. This one also has a lot of a la carte items, even more than the last one did. But I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit first. Oh, so huge. I have to figure out time to use it. Same freebie, same full boxes, same functional page, and then you have your headers, little things, half boxes, quarter boxes, and skinny appointment labels, and then you have your bottom washi, which has the paint strokes, and then the gold glitter stars, and some deco, some washi, and some habit trackers. And like always, I do put a laid out photo on the listing, so if I'm going too fast or you want to take a better look at it when purchasing, you could just swipe to the next photo and there will be a picture there for you. I can't believe I didn't do any pink bows. I feel like I just probably don't have them. Like, in disbelief with myself. Then I do have a bunch of extras for this. So you do have your glitter sampler, which is so cute. Then you have the personal washi add-on. There are the bows, which are really cute as well. The like glitter is kind of like the more rainbow glitter that's up in this like header area. Then there also are Fashion Girl add-ons. I did change like the shirt color, so you have a bunch of different like color options as well as hair color and then skin tone options as well, which are so cute. I don't even know which one's my favorite. I love them all, especially the shirt colors. They're so fun. And then I also did these. So there is like washi tape in there, so I did like color change them. So there is like a silver option for the bows and then a gold option for the bows, but they're like the same colors. So like there's the same blue, pink, but they just had different bow colors. But I thought these were so cute. They're very like inspired by Simply Gilded bow washi, and I just thought it was perfect and something that I'm probably going to be like, yo Kirsten, print me out 10 of those because I'm going to be using those all the time. It'd be perfect to mark planning or like a Simply Gilded release or just like any type of washi situation that you may be in, which I get a lot of those situations. So that is everything for this week's new releases. Again, like I said, the new reformat is going to be happening, I believe, on the 18th, which I'm really, really pumped about. And a lot of these collections, I'm not producing as many of them, just to not have as many like around when the reformat comes out, because y'all, the reformat's fire and you guys are going to be like in love, love, love. So super pumped about that. Unlimited stock for the first 3 hours. I'll be doing a one of these little sheets for the first 200 orders like I always do. Let me know in the comments down below which one you guys would like to see. And I think that's everything. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.